Hello everyone, it's Thursday, October 17th, and it dropped down into the low 40s last night. Gonna do it again tomorrow. Normally I wait until we're about to have a freeze before I go after the sweet potatoes, but I've already done over half the sweet potatoes because of the incredible drought and heat. Now we're getting a little cold snap, and it's late October. I've got to get the fall garden in, which means I need the space where these sweet potatoes are. So they're going to have to come out a little earlier than I would normally do, but that's just the way it is. I've got a couple of projects here to do with these sweet potatoes. One of them is I want a bunch of the leaves to feed to my worms inside. So we're going to be picking some leaves off of here. Don't want the vines, they'll take too long to break down, but I'll pick a bunch of these leaves. So I'm going to get this cut back. Amazingly, all of these vines that you see here, there's actually just 2 containers. I think these are purple sweet potatoes. If so, they're the first time I've grown them. If they're the white sweet potatoes, first time I've grown them too. I had some in some other containers and they did pretty well. So I got high hopes for these. I just put mountains of water down on these plants with the drought. So I hope it's going to pay off. Oh, I see a good sign here right off the bat. Oh, look at the vines. Check this out. Look at this. We have sweet potatoes right here. Wow. Look at that. Of all the sweet potatoes that we've picked, that's probably the best one. And I picked 7 tubs of sweet potatoes a week ago. Need to get the video of that up. That's probably the best of the entire batch. Let's see how these are doing. It's small, but it filled out. But there's dirt in too. Oh, look at that. Look at that sweet potato. Look at that. Look at that. That's what you, oh, try that one out. When you're growing sweet potatoes, man, this is what you're looking for. My goodness. Another good one. This pot is just full. There's another one. Oh, check that. And another one. Have you ever seen such a pot of sweet potatoes? What was different about these two containers, and this one and the one I haven't done yet, is that these did not get that incredible afternoon sun. I know sweet potatoes are supposed to be full sun, but it's been so incredibly hot. Was so it's like bananas. Check it out. Sweet potatoes like bananas. It has been so incredibly hot with no rain that it was actually too much sun. It just keeps going. That's probably it. But look at that harvest out of one tub. Absolutely incredible. Look at that harvest. Never seen sweet potatoes like this. Oh, I can't wait to get to the next tub. Okay, I've cleared away the vines off of this second tub, and I can see we've got some sweet potatoes right here again. So we're gonna get started digging in here. See if this tub can be as fabulous as the other one was. I don't know how, that's just so unbelievable. There's a small one, but certainly edible. Shape kind of goofy, but nice looking sweet potatoes. There's another one. Not as good as that first pot, but these are still fabulous sweet potatoes. Here comes a nice big one. All right, 2 pots. Absolutely phenomenal. So, and these were not the round containers, these were the rectangular ones, which I thought weren't doing as well. So you got to keep planting, keep trying new ideas, but these definitely did better down here with it. Don't get quite as much of that afternoon sun because it was just so incredibly hot and dry this summer. So we're going to get these rinsed off and then get them started drying.